Welcome back, students. I hope all of you are there with your literature book and notebook. That's good. Take out page number 5 of literature book, and we have chapter number 1 over there, that is Mowgli in Trouble. So, can you see the chapter? Children, I hope all of you love reading stories. Do you? Do you love reading stories? Yes, everyone loves it, है ना? So, what kind of stories do you like? Yes, what kind of stories do you like? Some of you must be liking the stories based on animals. Some of you like stories based on plants, and a few of you like adventurous stories. Am I right? Children, the chapter Mowgli in Trouble is also very interesting story, and the theme of the story is animals and plants. So in this story we are going to read about animals and plants. So what is the theme of the story? Animals and plants. So students, be attentive and listen carefully, because this story, which is based on animals and plants, it is very interesting. Okay, and highlight the parts which I have highlighted in my book side by side. You also note down those parts. Am I clear to all of you? Okay. First of all, let us understand the main thing what we are going to read in this whole story. Okay. So, in Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling, a little boy named Mowgli is adopted by a family of wolves and brought up in the jungle. So, this story, Mowgli in Trouble, it is taken from the Jungle Book, which is a story book, and this story, the Mowgli in Trouble, it is an extract taken from this classic story. Okay, so extract means part of the book. So this Mowgli in Trouble chapter 1 is a part of which book? So it is a part of Jungle Book written by Rudyard Kipling. And in this book, in this whole story, what we are going to read about? We are going to read about a little boy, and whose name is Mowgli. So the little boy Mowgli is the first character of the chapter, and this little boy Mowgli is adopted by the family of wolves and brought up in the jungle. Up till here, is it clear, students? Now see, the second character of the story is Balu the bear. So who is the second character? Balu the bear. And the bear teaches Mowgli the way of jungle. So he is the one, the bear is the one who teaches the way of jungle to Mowgli. And Bagheera, the black panther. So the third character we have, Bagheera, the black panther, protects him. So he is the one who protects the Mowgli. So who is the one who teaches Mowgli? Balu, the bear. And the one who protects him is Bagheera, the black panther. Children, note down the characters side by side in the book itself. Okay. So what happens in the story? What we are going to read in the story is, one day the Bandar Log. So the fourth character is Bandar Log or monkeys. So who is the fourth character? Bandar Log or monkeys. Here we are not talking about one specific monkey. We are talking about the group of monkeys. Okay. So the group of monkeys is the fourth character. So one day what happened? Bandar Log, the monkeys, kidnapped Mowgli and took him away to cold layers. So they kidnapped him and they took him to the cold layers, and this is the place where monkeys used to live. Is it clear, students? Highlight this place. Now in this story we will read, what we will read is how Balu, Bagheera and others save Mowgli from Bandar Log. So this is what we are going to read in this whole story. So is the first paragraph clear to all of you? Children, I hope you are clear about the characters of the story. Okay. Now see, let us start. Balu the bear was delighted to have Mowgli as a pupil. So what happened? The story begins with the line that Balu is very happy, he is very delighted that he is the teacher of Mowgli and the Mowgli is his student. What do you mean by pupil? Pupil means student. The boy could climb almost as well as he could swim, and swim almost as well as he could run, because Mowgli was perfect. He was perfect in everything. So this delighted the Balu. Balu taught Mowgli how to tell rotten branches from the good one. So, what all things Balu taught Mowgli? We are going to read about those things. The first thing taught by Balu to Mowgli is he told him how to choose the good branches out of the rotten one, out of the decayed one. What do you mean by rotten one? It means decayed one or the bad one. Okay. So, he taught him how to speak politely. The second thing he taught was to speak politely to the wild bees. So, he told him to be very polite with the wild bees. He explained how to warn the water snakes in the pools before Mowgli splashed down among them. So, the third thing that he taught was how to warn the water snakes before jumping into the pools. Okay. He also taught Mowgli the stranger's hunting call. So the fourth thing taught by Balu to the Mowgli was the stranger's hunting call. Let us see what does the stranger's hunting call mean. Children, this call must be used whenever anyone hunts outside his own grounds. So whenever we are hunting in somebody else's territory, so we used to make a call. That call is known as stranger's hunting call. It means give me permission to hunt here because I am hungry. So there you give this call to seek permission to hunt over there just because you are hungry, not for the fun purpose or for the pleasure. And the answer is hunt then for food. And when you give this call, you get the answer back. Yes, you can hunt, but only for the food, not for the pleasure. Is it clear up till here? I hope everybody is clear with the first paragraph. Now, look at the second paragraph. From branches above, Bandar Log would watch Mowgli learn and play. So what happens when Balu was teaching all these things to the Mowgli? The Bandar Log monkeys would watch all these things. He watched Mowgli playing and learning the things from Balu. So they watched his nimble fingers make things out of twigs. So what did they watch? That the nimble fingers of Mowgli are making things out of twigs. So what do you mean by nimble? See children, the word meaning given over there, nimble means quick and light in movement or action. So he was quickly moving his fingers to make something out of the twigs. What are twigs? Twigs are small branches. So they found him to be very wise, and seeing all this, the monkeys found that Mowgli is very wise, he is very intelligent, and wanted him in their tribe. And seeing all this, they wanted that he should be in their tribe. What is tribe? Tribe is a group. So they wanted that he should be in their group. Then Mowgli would share his skills and wisdom with the Bandar Log. So they wanted this because they wanted Mowgli to share his skills and wisdom with the monkeys. So they believed that he would lead their group. And thinking all this, they believed that if he's there in our group, he will lead our group. He will be the leader of our group. The monkeys loved this idea because they wanted everyone in the jungle to be envious of their tribe. Why? Why did they love this idea? Because they want that in jungle everyone should be envious of their tribe. What is envious? Envious means jealous. They wanted that everyone should be jealous of their tribe. So one day, as Mowgli slept, so what happened? One day, Mowgli was sleeping in between Balu and Bagheera. So when he was sleeping between Balu and Bagheera, they swooped down on him. Swooped means moved rapidly downwards through the air. So they moved rapidly downwards through the air and took him away. That means they carried him away with them. A group of them lifted his arms and legs and carried him away. So group of monkeys lifted his arms and legs and they carried him away along with them. That means they kidnapped him. So children, what happened next? The next thing Mowgli remembered was feeling hands on his legs and arms. So when they carried Mowgli away along with them, what happened? Mowgli felt their hands, and those hands were hard, strong, and little hands. And whose hands were they? They were the hands of monkeys. Then some branches swished in his face. Swished means made a rushing sound in his face. What happened? Balu immediately woke the jungle with his cries. So when Balu found that Mowgli is missing, so he immediately woke the jungle with his cries. So the monkeys were taking Mowgli away. Bagheera growled and cried to run up the tree trunk. So Bagheera cried when he found that Mowgli is missing. So he cried and said, monkeys were taking Mowgli away, and tried to run up the tree trunk, and he tried his level best to run up to the tree trunk. The Bandar Log howled with tremp and leapt higher to the upper branches. So the Bandar Log made a howling sound, and they leapt higher to the upper branches, and they moved higher to the upper branches, bounding and crashing and whooping and yelling. And what did they did? Well, what is bounding? Bounding is moving quickly with large jumping and movements. So they moved quickly with large jumps and the movements. And crashing and whooping. What is whooping? Whooping means uttering a loud cry of joy and excitement. So they were very excited that they have kidnapped the Mowgli and he's in their group now. And yelling. The whole tribe of Bandar Log swept along the trees with Mowgli as their prisoner. Okay, so they were very happy that Mowgli is with them now and he's as their prisoner. So in my next video we'll continue from this paragraph.